Hi there. Here we have a 2017 ULEZ compliant 1 litre Renault Captur TCE. Quite a nice little car actually. It's when it came as a part exchange. It's got a full service history. Come from a nice old couple that bought a California off me actually, and you know, it's been their little pride and joy, this car. And but we wasn't overly happy because when we first got it in, we heard a slight chattering noise, tinkering noise. Anyway, so we looked at it further, and these can suffer with timing chain issues. Although it's only done 58,000 miles, it's a good spec one by the way. The timing chain, in our opinion, was a bit rattly, a bit too rattly to what it should be. So we've changed it. We've done a complete timing chain kit, which also you have to buy an additional like a VVT sort of pulley wheel as well. I've got all the receipts with the car, so it's back as good as new again. It really is great, sounds as it should do now, and giving it a new lease of life. So rather than run the risk of these keep going and rattling worse and worse and could potentially snap, thought we'd just get it done and get it sorted. So it's been done. Right, car itself, got the rear parking sensors, got the top tethering seats, the split rear seats these are, so you can sort of pull it down, put it down like that, and you can put the other side down whichever you want. This has got the split level boot, I think, you can go in there and change that. And then you've also got your spare wheel, which isn't easy doing one-handed with a camera, but you can see you've got your spare wheel there, all really clean, tidy, and very genuine little car. As I said, especially now with the benefit of the timing chain being done as well, makes all the difference. Down the bodywork, you can see there's no marks or scratches or dents or anything, all very good. Wheels and tyres are perfectly okay. It's keyless. You've got the keyless there. You've got the 2 key cards, which are here. 2 key cards, and you can start it without putting the keys in that slot. It has got the sat nav as well. You've got the Isofix passenger seat. You've got these like removable sort of covers here. Must be an option with the car or something, I'm not sure. But you've got the volume controls at the back there, your multifunction steering wheel, little dash holder there. As you can see, it's 58,364 miles, but with a brand new timing chain and fully serviced as well with all its previous service history. So, right, let's put that seat back up. That's it. Isofix. As you can see, the seats are all in good order. Plenty of leg room. Quite a funky interior. All the shuts are all good. Show you down this side. Bit of marking on the alloy on this one. I don't think it's actually curbing, I think that's just got under the lacquer. But other than that, all pretty good. And this is the wheel that normally gets the battery in the near side front, and that one's actually remarkably good. LED pure vision, not quite sure what that is. I suppose LED lights and clear vision, I presume. Right, let's have a look. Door cards are all good. It's got all the mats. Dashboard's all in good order. This is your Isofix passenger front. So you've got the passenger front Isofix. All these are zip off as well. So you've got the original ones underneath. I'm not sure whether you can just take them off for washing. I presume so. I'll try and show you the engine. It means we've done all the timing chain and everything with it. It's never good doing this one-handed, but they've got hydraulic struts, which makes it nice and easy to hold that up. Still got a bit of water running in from where it's been washed. Your timing chain all goes behind here, but the big top wheel as well, which is dearer in the timing chain kit actually. We said the full timing chain kit and wheel done. So all good to go. Let's say starts, drives, no hesitations. It pulls well actually. So if you want to know any more information, just give Wayne a call on 07970 701166. I'll try and answer any questions you may have. Wheels pretty good on that one as well. Just a little bit of curb rash on there. The tyres are all good. Overall, I think it's very clean and tidy, serviceable car. So thanks for looking, and give me a call if you want to know any more information.